welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm actually filming what I got for my 20th birthday. So it was my 20th birthday 2 months back, and I even vlogged my birthday. So go check that out if you haven't watched it. I'll be putting the link in the description box. In the video, I also promised that I'll be showing you all what all I got for my 20th birthday. And I couldn't shoot this video 2 months back because something just came up. So today I finally decided to sit down and shoot this video and show you all what all I got for my 20th birthday. I used to love watching these videos as a kid and as a teenager. And now finally when I have my own YouTube channel, I wanted to shoot this video and show you all what all I got for my 20th birthday. Before getting into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get into the video. So the first gift that I got was this beautiful basket that my mom got for me, and it has all these beautiful and cute little gifts. So the first thing that my mom got me was this beautiful Victoria's Secret wallet, and I completely love how beautiful it looks. This is such a compact and cute wallet, and it has Victoria's Secret over here and this golden detailing. You guys must have already seen this wallet in my what's in my bag video, and I completely love this wallet. This looks so cute. The next thing inside this basket is this perfume from Ferragamo, and that is how this looks from the outside. It's how the packaging looks. I just love the packaging. This is so me. This is so pretty. Ribbon detailing over here. This looks so pretty, and the bottle itself is so pretty and so classy. And I really love the fragrance. This is such a stunning fragrance, and this just matches so well with my vanity table. So the next thing inside this basket was this cute little package from Chanel. I love Chanel cosmetics because they're so fancy, and I love the packaging. So my mom got me this Chanel compact. I just love the packaging. It looks so fancy, it looks so pretty, and that's how it looks. The next thing that my mom got for me was a Victoria's Secret set. I've already opened the packaging, but if you want to see how it actually looked, go check out my vlog, because in my vlog I actually showed how the gifts were looking on my birthday, and they were looking so pretty. So the gift pack had this lotion in the flavor Velvet Petals and this mist in the flavor Velvet Petals, and that's how it looks. This looks so cute and so pretty. I really like the fragrance. It is so subtle. I love the fragrance, such a subtle fragrance, and this is such a perfect size to keep inside your bags for traveling or road trips, whatever. So the last thing inside this basket was a pack of lipsticks that I can't find right now. I've looked for it everywhere and I just can't find it, but that was everything that came inside this basket. So the next thing that my mom got me is this beautiful Ted Baker bag that I'm going to show you right now. So this is the bag that my mom got for me. This is such a simple and such an elegant bag. I completely love this bag, and that is how it looks from the inside. I think it also came with the pouch. Yes, it did. So it also came with this simple pouch. I would never choose something this simple for me, but now I think that I'm actually liking it. This is such a cute bag. So yeah, that is what my mom got for me. So recently I've been obsessed with Juicy Couture. I want everything Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture is such a beautiful and such a pretty brand. I know a lot of people don't like Juicy Couture, but it will always be one of my favorites no matter what. So my brother got me this beautiful Juicy Couture pendant that I'm going to show you more closely later. But I just love this pendant. It looks so pretty. It has Juicy Couture written over here. I love it. It is so cute. So the next thing that my brother got me was this perfume from Dior. So basically I wanted a fancy perfume to keep inside my bags whenever I'm going out. So I told my brother, and he actually got me that. So I'm going to show you what the perfume looks like. That's how it looks. And this is basically Dior's latest fragrance. It's called Rose and Roses. I'm not really into rosy fragrances, but this is such a beautiful fragrance. I just fell in love with this fragrance. So this is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses perfume. So So now I'm gonna show you what all my dad got for me. So my dad got me iPhone 13 pink, and that is how it looks. I finally upgraded my phone from iPhone XR to iPhone 13. So I can't show you what's inside because I'm actually shooting from my new phone right now. I'm super excited to use my new phone. The color is not too bright and not too light. This is actually such a mature shade of pink, and I love this shade of pink. And the last gift that I've got is actually my favorite gift. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. I've got this beautiful Versace Couture bag. I'm obsessed with this bag. This is such a beautiful bag, you guys. I love it so much. It has Versace Couture written over here, and this is how it looks. It has a buckle over here, so you can keep your stuff inside. This looks so classy. This looks so pretty. I'm in love with the color. That just looks stunning. So that was everything that I got for my 20th birthday, you guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you liked my video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel right now, and thank you for watching. Bye.